Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at once again another leaked Manchester United away shirt for the 25-26 season. This one is obviously slightly different to the one we looked at previously on this channel. You will be able to find that video in my one of my uploads. This shirt was purchased from kkfoo.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link from my usual seller. I know they've got the new Manchester United shirts on there, so I will leave that. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side is the traditional health warnings. So if you do enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, and messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, the seller is kkfoo, kkfoo.com. All that information will be in the description of the video. I'm intrigued to see this one because the first leaked one that I got was a lot more, I think, purple and white checkered, whereas this one's got much more of an iconic logo into it. So we'll get this bag open now and we'll take a deeper dive at this leaked Manchester United away shirt for the 25-26 season. Okay, we've got the front of the shirt here, and it's just got the standard V-neck collar line, and you've got this like a maroony sort of colour stripe which matches the Adidas stripes up here. So the pattern on this one is quite a bit different actually to the other leaked one I got. The leaked one before had like the little Adidas chevron sort of looks to it, which was the retro shirt from like 92 or something. The Adidas has been embroidered on. Likewise, the Man United crest has been heat pressed. I think it's been heat pressed in. No, it's been embroidered on actually, I couldn't really tell then. Snapdragon, that's really smooth. And the material itself is quite shiny, quite glossy actually. You can see the glisten as it hits the light. At the bottom we have Aero Ready, and on the sleeve we've got the DXC technology. And that's been heat pressed on lovely. It's a very nice shirt. Just to be fair, I've liked both of these leaked Man United away ones actually. I think the purple's a really nice touch. This one is an XL, but it looks really big. But yeah, there's the front of it. Let's flip it around and look at the reverse side of it now too. Okay, we're on to the reverse side, and straight away look, you can see a tag up there actually, and you have a tag down here, so that you can see it really quite well. That shows just how see-through the material is. See, it is plain white up here, and then the pattern from the front continues down on the reverse at the bottom. Obviously, if this was an official one, you'd probably have a name and number there. But the back does look very, very bare, and you can quite clearly see the size and information and everything up there. Again, just shows you how see-through it is. Stitching on the back of the collar's a little bit wobbly look, but in all honesty, no one's going to really worry about that. And breathable material down the sides. Okay, that's the reverse side. Let's take a look at the inside now too. Okay, we're now onto the inside, and you can see the collar line stitching all looks pretty good. Up here you've got the Adidas QR code, product information, and then an Adidas jersey tag. It's just a standard Manchester United one with all the usual information on the inside. Man United crest, it's got a fair bit of the paper in there. What I'd recommend is, if you can't get this just to pull off, because sometimes it does, it's just to put some lukewarm water over it. That'll then peel off really quite nicely. Yeah, that's got none of the card on it, but you've got a fair few loose little threads down there, and to be fair, there's one down there as well. But if you want to get rid of those, a pair of scissors just to chop it off. Sleeve sponsor, gone on nicely, no creases. And then the Snapdragon as well, that's gone on really, really quite well. So there's a tag down the bottom here. I'm interested to see what the other one is on the reverse side, but this is our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip it inside out and do it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. Do not put it in your tumble dry. If you do, things like your Snapdragon, they'll probably pull off. Stitching on the bottom of the hemline all looks tidied out as well. So that's the first part of the inside of the shirt. Let's flip it around and have a look at what that tag is on the back. Okay, we're on to the reverse side and I'll go straight on this tag. So it's a keep away from fire tag. I don't think I've ever seen one of those at the top of a shirt before. XL slim fit, it's a fan version, so the sizing is pretty much the standard sort of sizing. Adidas stripes, stitched in well. If I push in now, look, you can see really quite clearly the pattern from the other side. So that gives you a good indication now, if you were to have a tattoo or something on your back, if you're wearing this, it's going to be really quite visible. But yeah, stitching all looks good. No real concerns on there at all. Okay, that's the inside of our shirt done. A really nice leak shirt, this one. And there we have it, the Manchester United leaked away shirt for the 25-26 season from kkfoo.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller, so if this item is one that you're interested in, you can either look at the seller's website or you can look at my usual seller on dhgate. They do have Manchester United items. Obviously this has been a leaked one, I don't know if it'll be on there or not, and it might even have changed by this time, because obviously this is the second leaked one that I have filmed for this channel. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these reviews on a weekly basis. If you leave any comments, questions, messages below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, the seller is kkfoo.com. All the information in the description of the video. Delivery timescales, you're looking at about 10 days from the point of the item being dispatched, which I think is absolutely fantastic now. They've really got this down to a fine art. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll give you the final look of this Manchester United leaked 25-26 away shirt. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.